upgrading your Jeep interior lights to LEDs. The company Lasfit reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to upgrade my interior dome lights using their Lasfit LED lights. And I'm like, what the heck, why not? 7 months ago, I shared a Jeep mod under $100. How to swap your halogen light bulb with an LED light bulb in your dome light. The swap from halogen to LED is very simple. Pop off this lens cover, take out the old bulb and put in the new bulb. I've got my plastic tools. The link to that video is in the description below. I've already switched out my halogen lights with some LED lights. We are going to test out and compare. The Sylvania LED bulb cost $26 for 2 bulbs versus the Lasfit LED bulb cost $14.99 for 2 bulbs. Just like with the halogen lights, you have to do the same thing with the LED lights because they get hot. The last time I did this, I used a piece of tape to pull out the halogen bulb. Take your Gorilla Tape, duct tape, wrap it around the light bulb, and that way you can pull the light bulb out. Oh, there you go. Just a little bit of force. This time I'm going to try a pair of pliers to pull out the LED bulb. Let's take a look. So you just get it in there and you gently back and forth. Okay, this one is a little smaller than the one I originally put in. And the first one I got in, I used both hands. Right now I'm trying to do the camera and put the light in, or the light bulb in. Okay, if you get it in just right, it just pushes right in. So now we're going to test out and see the difference. And the cover just snaps right back into place. Let's turn them on and see if we can see a difference. They're just as bright and they illuminate just as much. So now let's do a side-by-side comparison. In the side-by-side comparison with the Sylvania bulb on the passenger side versus the Lasfit bulb on the driver's side, I could not tell a difference in the brightness or illumination. The only difference I found is the cost. The Lasfit LED bulb is half the cost of the Sylvania bulb. Plus, if you use the link in my description and my Jeep Momma code, you get another 15% off. Make sure the bulb is a fit for your Jeep. For more Jeep tips and how-tos, click the subscribe button and check out my blog at www.jeepmomma.com.